We're going to Legoland, finally. Oh, yes, I see Legoland!
Yeah.
Finally, now we know where it is. Woo! Let's go! Legoland Dubai! Hi guys, welcome back to Another Entertainer. In today's video, we are finally at Legoland. So first, when you're inside Legoland Dubai, so you'll be introduced, you'll be told about these bottles. So one is for 50 dirhams, the two are for 80 dirhams. So you can get unlimited drinks for free, like soft drinks, iced tea, water, tea, coffee, like that. Now come on guys, come, let's go and explore. This is the summer pass for Legoland. So this camel is a good boy because he does not adapt. This is a Lego factory where Legoland Dubai shows how Legos are made. This is the process of making Lego bricks. So much is happening, yeah? This is the Lego decorating machine where they can design the Legos as they want. Like for example, long Legos or tiny Legos. This is the packaging machine where they can pack Legos into small plastic disposable bags.
Thank you.
Here we can get our personalized name on the Lego. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And make sure you press that bell icon for more videos, and don't forget to watch episode 2 tomorrow. Bye!